What's up, warriors? In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make your first $5,000 with Facebook ads. But first, comment today's action word, which is Facebook. So go ahead and comment Facebook in the comment section of this video if you want to be a part of the giveaway of the month. And also, if you want to make more money with Facebook ads, also comment Facebook in the comment section of this video today. So I have a full in-depth tutorial showing you exactly what I did in order to earn $5,000 for a Facebook advertisement. But before I go into the training, I want to show you guys undeniable proof that that was possible. We'll just have to cover up the names on this particular check. But this is a check for $3,000, okay? And that is a residual check that gets paid monthly just for maintaining Facebook ads for a company. Then the other one is, for $2,000, and that is for the setup fee to go ahead and set up the Facebook ads. I also have a full contract in which this client has signed as well. It's really, it's an in-depth contract, okay? This is just standard for any deal that I make, is that, you have to have some type of contract in place, and that stipulates the work that you're getting ready to deliver to the client, and then what are the terms of agreement in terms of payment and all the other legal jargon that's attached to this. And so this is what I have in place to do that. Now, with this being said, first, there was a formula behind doing this. It just didn't pop up overnight. This is something that you can learn over time, okay? And so all you really need is a skill set, which I do teach this skill set over and over and over again on this channel. And I also have a mentorship program that's coming out that's gonna help you to really pinpoint your skills with Facebook ads. However, through all of this and creating these two checks right here, this is not something that I've done just one time. This is something I've done multiple times before in the past, and I've created a formula behind it. And so what I want to do for you today is I want to share with you that formula on how I was able to cash in on $5,000 right here in one day. I'm just gonna go out and say it. I'm nobody special, and if I could do it, obviously you can do it. So instead of telling you all about this, I'm gonna go ahead and hop on over to my computer, and I'm gonna share with you all the details on how I've actually made a $5,000 client. All right, here it is. This is the training that I had promised, how I created a $5,000 day using the power of Facebook ads. Look, guys, there's so many different clients out there and companies that are looking for people who know how to run Facebook ads because they have no idea, especially with the amount of changes that are being made with Facebook ads. And so we're in a great place at a great time. And if you've been following my trainings and you've already taken action with my mentorship program, you're going to be able to learn how to, obviously get in the nitty-gritty of setting up Facebook ads to the point where you can just take on any clients you want, any company size, and you will blow up. But here's the exact shell of what I did. Funnel creation is the most important part, because without the funnel, you're not going to get leads. And it also helps to cut down on a lot of time explaining things to people when everything's already set in place. So I need a landing page with a 15-minute video, and it's actually a registration page. And so what they're going to do on this page is they're going to see that there is a button on the lander that says apply, and they're going to hit apply. And then they're going over to my Wufoo application questionnaire, and they're going to fill out the information: name, email, phone, Skype number, how much they can afford, what type of business they have, links to their business, so I can further review if they are a fit for, the company that I'm in. And so next thing is a closing team, okay? Either you have a closing team, or actually you're going to scale up to a closing team, because in the beginning when I first started, all I did was, close the deals myself, which is relatively easy. Given that they've already given you all the info on the application to close them. They're saying they're basically begging you to work with them on the application, and you have the obviously information for that. So meeting number one went like this: discuss job deliverables. That means, like, what are you going to be delivering to this client? No matter what it is, you got to give those deliverables to them. So in my case, this is Facebook ads that I'll be running for this company. And so they wanted to know how much I'm gonna be spending per day, what I needed, okay, what I needed for that, and that plays a big part of whether this campaign is going to be successful or not. So, and so a lot of times I'll need a video, 2 videos for them, professionally done, um, and different things like that. A little bit more about their business, and I may need some data from them if I can. If I can get data, definitely is a win-win for me. Next thing is measuring expectancy. Okay, expectancy. You want to know how much that client is expecting to make or produce, or whatever that is to them. Okay, you want to know what their expectancy is, and just go with that. Go with your gut feeling on that one, because if I feel like this person's trying to get rich real quick and doesn't have enough money to run the ads to to make money, enough money for their company or to hit their goals, then I won't even work with them. Okay, and then also discussing the price here, letting them know what your prices are. On this one, I did a $2,000 setup plus $3,000 a month to continuously manage their ads. And sometimes I may consult them on what I may need in order for a campaign to work better. Meeting number 2 is to discuss the launch dates, the materials needed. Okay, so if I need any more additional tools or materials, then they've got to get that for me, and that's what I discuss in meeting number 2. Okay, and then meeting them, the next thing is to discuss properties access, so access to their business manager in this case and their ad account, so that I can run ads on their business manager. Another thing is signing the contract. Obviously, is very important. In the beginning, I didn't have a contract in place, so I would just take in the payment and just that'd be pretty much it. And I still have clients that I work with that haven't signed a contract, but it's a lot better if you can get one drawn up eventually, and that's what I would invest more money into as well in this process. Receiving checks and deposits. So if your client's not local, if you're not getting local leads, then obviously you're going to get deposits. Okay, and that is in the form of a bank wire that they can send on over to you. And that's typically what I do with my company, especially if I'm overseas or somewhere else. I need to be able to take those payments in a different way than obviously receiving a check. But if it's in person, I prefer to have a check too as well. So what I want to do right now real quick is I want to draw out how did I get these clients to see my questionnaire. Okay, and it's just like this. Okay, let's say that this is my application, right? All right, and then I have to drive traffic to this page. Okay, I have to get people interested in this offer sent over to my page so they can fill out an application. So one of the ways that I do that is I do run Facebook ads to get people over to this page and fill out an application. So I also couple that with Instagram ads as well. And then my next piece in what I do, not to mention I'm collecting emails all over the place, but I can also email my list. Okay, that's just another way that I drive people back to my offer, is I can email my list, and I'm just going to put this as E. Okay, and then this last part over here is YouTube. Okay, I get a lot of different clients through YouTube that see my tutorials and different things that I've been teaching out here on YouTube, and people reach out to me for help in running their business using Facebook ads or any type of advertising platform. And so that's what I've done here. And so for anyone that's actually looking to drive traffic at first and do not want to spend a whole bunch of money on Facebook ads to figure it out, or invest into a videographer and all that kind of stuff, the first bet is for you to go to YouTube first. Start laying out content on your channel that is relevant to the type of client that you want to attract, and just go from there. Just continue to pump out content. The people will come. Okay, if you got great content, if you know what you're doing, or for many of you probably watching this video, you've never set up a Facebook ad in your life. Well, your job at first is to learn Facebook ads. Go invest in some Facebook ads courses. Get into my mentorship program. Watch the videos on my channel to learn how to run Facebook ads, and then experiment with by yourself. But here's the key and the hook in the beginning, because you're not going to be able to close sales right off the bat charging, you know, $2,000, $5,000 off the bat. So what you need to do in this case, and this is like the secret sauce, is that you just do not charge up front. Okay, you tell them, look, I'll run your ads for free until I get, obviously if I get results, then you'll pay me X amount. Okay, and that's what you'll do, because you want them to get results, and you want to feel better about the relationship between you and that client. So you're going to do it for free at first. Okay, so it's a trial run, see how it works. If you can deliver the work, awesome. If you can't, no harm, no foul. You know, they tried it out, they didn't have to pay. And that hooks them in once you start getting them results, whether that's leads, applications, sales, you know, app installs, installations, whatever that is. If you can get that for the client before actually paying, they will definitely be paying you at the end of this. Okay, and I usually do like a 30-day trial. That's usually enough for me to get something off the ground. And they have to, you know, have a requirement of at least being able to spend $100 a day. If they can't do that, then I don't need to work with them, you know, in the beginning anyways, right? And so they gotta have the advertising budget to make this work. So that, in a nutshell, is exactly what I did to earn the $5,000 with this setup and using the power of Facebook ads. And so if you like this training, go ahead and put the words Facebook in the comment section of this video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updated tutorials on exactly how you can utilize the internet to grow your business.